Most people try to make money online using just one platform. But what if I told you the real secret is combining all three, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok, into one powerful system that builds your audience, your income, and your brand at the same time? Before we start, if this is your first time seeing this channel, then you are welcome. Take a moment to like and subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon and activate all notifications so you don't miss a thing. You know the best things in life are for free, and subscribing to this channel is free. Your support is highly appreciated as we grow together. Thank you. Let's dive right into how you can make money online. If you've ever wondered how creators make thousands from their phones, this is your full breakdown. Here's the truth: no single platform is perfect. YouTube builds long-term income and authority. Facebook builds community and consistency. TikTok builds virality and traffic. When you connect them, you create a money-making system that runs 24/7, with each platform feeding the other. Let's start with TikTok, the fastest way to grow. Post short, engaging videos in your niche: finance, fitness, education, whatever you do, and always include a hook in the first 2 seconds. TikTok's algorithm pushes new content quickly, giving you massive reach. Every viral clip you create becomes a gateway on pushing viewers to your YouTube channel or Facebook page where you can monetize better. Remember, TikTok is your attention grabber. It gets eyes on your content fast. Once people find you through TikTok, guide them to YouTube. Why? Because YouTube pays directly through AdSense, and your videos keep earning even while you sleep. Here's how you make money on YouTube. 1. Ad revenue from Google Ads once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. 2. Affiliate marketing. Add links to products or services in your description. 3. Sponsorships. Brands pay you for promoting their offers. 4. Digital products or courses. Sell your knowledge directly to your subscribers. Think of YouTube as your money engine. TikTok brings the crowd. YouTube builds your business. Now Facebook, the platform people underestimate. Here's how you make money with it. Create a Facebook page or group around your niche. Post clips from your TikToks and YouTube videos. Engage with your audience daily: comments, lives, and polls. Monetize through Facebook Reels, Stars, and in-stream ads. Facebook is where you keep your audience loyal. It's the community side of your business. While TikTok gives you speed and YouTube gives you authority, Facebook gives you trust and connection. Here's the winning system. 1. Post short videos on TikTok. Grow fast. 2. Direct viewers to your YouTube for deeper content. Earn ad revenue. 3. Build your community on Facebook. Keep them engaged. Each platform boosts the other. Your TikTok followers become YouTube subscribers. Your YouTube fans join your Facebook group. Your Facebook audience buys your products or shares your videos. It's a loop, and the longer you stay consistent, the more you earn. To make it easier, use tools like Canva or CapCut for editing your short videos. Later, or Metricool to schedule posts across platforms. Linktree or Beacons to share all your links in one bio. And here's a pro tip: recycle your content. One 60-second clip can work on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook Reels. You don't have to film new videos every day, just adapt them smartly. Remember, making money online isn't about luck, it's about strategy. Use TikTok to grab attention, YouTube to earn, and Facebook to connect. That's how you build real income and influence online. So don't just watch this, start today. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone ready to start their online journey.